here on a chilly, cold, overcast, grey day in the Solent, testing the new Nordhavn 63. And if you look around you, you really couldn't be on any other boat. Everything you see is beautifully engineered, but absolutely massive, built to take the wrath of the oceans, but equally at home, skipping around the Solent on a grey day, or cruising around the Med when it's bright and sunny. But all that fantastic engineering gives you tremendous reassurance that this is a boat that can go anywhere. For me, one of the greatest joys of being on board and driving the Nordhavn 63 are the incredibly low sound levels all the way through the boat. But especially up here, we'd spend an awful lot of time in the pilot house. And in particular, behind me in the off-watch cabin there, we recorded the lowest sound readings we've ever recorded on any boat at any speed. Sound readings around 50 dB, way, way lower than the level of human conversation. I was really impressed with the visibility from this pilot house. At first sight, the off-watch cabin behind me and the heads compartment block off the view, but in fact they're both peppered with windows, so it's very easy to jump off the helm seat and get a really good clear view aft and see what's coming. And of course you can always get an even better view by popping out through the pilot house side doors. It does strike me that this fantastic pilot house is the ideal place to cross oceans or to just stooge around the Med. You've got absolutely massive space for instrumentation, fantastic view out, and really old-fashioned things like big chart tables, and of course space behind me to sit and watch the world go by. Wherever you are on board the Nordhavn 63, there's a terrific level of detailing. Here in the owner's cabin, for instance, just in this small space, for instance, you find louvers on the doors top and bottom to keep the contents fresh. And then inside the wardrobes, auto illumination, and of course all their wardrobes are cedar lined, so they're moth free and fresh again. And then of course all the countertops are fiddled to keep their contents in place, and of course they serve as great handrails. And even up here the detail continues. You have a rail here, so you can use this as a bookcase, but of course you can remove it as well and stow it elsewhere to give you better access. And this level of detail can be found all the way throughout the boat. Here in the saloon, the practical detailing continues as ever. So you have really good sturdy overhead handrails too in the saloon, and I also like the fact that all the corners are heavily radius, so should you ever on the odd occasion fall against them, you're not going to hurt yourself. We're in the engine room of the Nordhavn 63, and this is my idea of engineering heaven. We could make a 2-hour-long film about all the delights down here, but just a few of the highlights are the big stainless steel handrails running around the engine. All the pipework and fittings you see are either double clipped or they're high pressure compression joints. And it's the best lit engine room I've ever been in. And behind me are calibrated sight gauges for the fuel tanks. I could go on and on, but you get the idea. Everything in here is absolutely first class.